All right, welcome back, everyone. We're diving deep today, and this was particularly, well, meaningful, I think.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, we're looking at fraternity and brotherhood
Mhm.
as a pathway to spiritual growth.
It's a big one.
It is. And to guide us, we got some excerpts
Yep.
from Embracing Fraternity and Brotherhood, A Pathway to Spiritual Growth.
Love that title.
Yeah, it really gets to the heart of it. It's by Waxhira,
Of course.
founder of the,
Sacred Atlantean Brotherhood.
that's the one.
That's it.
So,
This deep dive is, well, it's exciting to me because we're going beyond just like the everyday be nice kind of brotherhood.
all right, great.
You're going deeper. Waxhira links brotherhood to, real actions, practices, spiritual practices even.
Yeah, and right off the bat, his definition of fraternity and brotherhood, it really got me thinking, he doesn't see it as some exclusive club, right?
Yeah.
It's more like this reflection of how connected we all are.
Fundamental, he's saying.
Yeah, like have you ever just felt that we're all part of something bigger?
All the time. And Waxhira, he takes that feeling and he makes it a core spiritual principle,
Oh, totally.
not just a feeling.
Right, exactly.
He argues that, when we interact as brothers, it's a practical simulation
Oh, I love that.
of love, kindness, respect.
It's powerful.
It is. And in those simulations, those everyday moments, that's where we shape our spiritual journey.
That phrase, practical simulations,
Yeah.
it just stuck with me. It's like he's saying brotherhood isn't just a feeling, right?
Totally. You got to live it.
You got to live it. You got to practice it in every interaction. It reminds me of, I was going through a tough time a while back, and my friends, their support, it got me through. Their empathy, it was like a lifeline.
Exactly. And it's those experiences,
Yeah.
those shared moments. The text really emphasizes that.
Being vulnerable together.
Yeah, supporting each other. Waxhira argues that having a community, fellow seekers, right, your tribe, provides solace, guidance, inspiration.
Helps you navigate those choppy waters.
Oh, absolutely. Spiritual growth is not always easy.
Not always a smooth ride, that's for sure. But here's where it gets really interesting.
Okay, I'm listening.
Waxhira doesn't restrict brotherhood to just one group.
Right. It expands.
It expands outward.
Okay.
He wants us to take those principles we cultivate, love, compassion, respect, and share them with everyone.
With the whole world.
Everyone we meet, yeah.
Like ripples,
I love that image.
You start small, nurturing these qualities, and then it just spreads out, affecting everything around you.
It makes you think, if we saw all our interactions
Every single one.
through that lens of brotherhood, how would the world change?
That's the question.
It really is.
Yeah.
Would we be more patient, more understanding, more forgiving?
It's a challenge.
Big time.
But the potential reward, changing our relationships, our communities, even the world.
Inspiring, isn't
It
it?
really is.
Speaking of inspiring,
Huh?
we should touch on the sacred Atlantean Brotherhood itself.
Right, Waxhira's community.
Yeah, founded on these principles. And get this, they have a social media presence.
I know, right? It's like, how does that work?
It's so interesting. What does a digital brotherhood look like?
It's something to ponder.
Definitely.
Maybe it's, respectful dialogue, supporting each other's growth.
Spreading those ripples of kindness online.
Exactly.
Wow, this deep dive has been, well, eye-opening.
You said it.
Fraternity and brotherhood, the way Waxhira presents them, it's not just socializing.
No, it's so much more.
They're tools for spiritual growth, personal transformation.
For making the world a better place.
That's it. So as you go about your day, I want you to ask
A
yourself,
little homework.
how can you bring that spirit of brotherhood into your interactions?
Every little thing.
Every little thing. Because even the smallest act of kindness, the tiniest bit of understanding,
You can make a difference.
it can spread further than we can even imagine.
And that's the beauty of it.
That's the beauty of it. So, thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
Until next time.
See ya.